Adobe Photoshop. Continuation, next unit. So you type on here through this one. So then click on here, wrap text. So the different styles. You can select the different styles. So then bend, horizontal distribution, vertical distribution, everything say you can adjust. Everything say you can adjust by this one. So the horizontal. So then after that, okay. Say this one, edit, pre-transform, shortcut Control plus T, then transform, scale and rotate. So likewise, rotate 180 degree. So then edit, transform, clockwise, anti-clockwise, transform, with a different style. So the scale, rotate, rotation, decrease. Say likewise, say this one, layer. Already we have typed this text, created one layer. Say you off the layer. So here this one, I mark here. So you off this one. So then right mouse on here, click on here, the blue color. So the delete layer. So you can delete the layer. So then yes. So then after that, so you go to this vertical text tools. So the click on here. So then type here something. So then click on here. So this one vertical text. At the same time, the layer also created here. For this text. Same as earlier way. So you click on here. You can highlight this. So you click the right mouse on here, on the text. So you can select the layers, background layer, or say the text layer. So you click the right mouse and select the layer. So it's, yep, suppose you select this background layer. So the selected here background layer, easy way. So then click the right mouse, then ASD. So the text layer selected here. Right? So then click on here, the different style. Whatever say you need, say for the vertical text, you can select the different style. Wrap text. Same as earlier way. Then after that, okay. So then click the right mouse, delete layer. Say then yes. So now go back to vertical text. horizontal text, horizontal text type, horizontal type mask tools. So you click on here. So you type something. So then enter. So then click on here, coming like this way. Say after that, so you click on here, paint bucket tools. Paint bucket tools. So the paint bucket tools. So you click on here. Say you can with the colors, because the foreground color, you select the foreground color. Later we'll come back to that. Say select the foreground color. Right. Say now select these switches. Say with the different colors. Say you can change the foreground color. At the same time, say you can see the foreground color. Say here this one through the color palette. Say then go to this paint bucket tools and click on here with the different colors. So at the same time, so you click on here, the different color for this. Right, say the paint bucket tools. So then click on here with the different tools. So then after that, click on this move tools. So you can move this one. Control plus D. Control plus D for the deselection. Deselect. Control plus D for the deselect. You can remove the dotted lines. Okay, so you practice up to this way. Later meet on another unit.